Hello, we are developing inventory management system with PHPMaker, and in the previous video we saw how you can generate code with PHPMaker. We generated our inventory application with this and browse and saw that by default it looked like this. Now what if you want to change the theme? You want to change header and footer with yours one. So that we are going to see. Over here there is an option called HTML. In the HTML section, if you see there is a brand logo and text. Using this, you can change your header which appear over here. So we are going to change this with inventory with PHPMaker. This is a bit long and may not be fitted. So we'll see how that looks. And we'll put here our channel name Learn PHPMaker Inventory Management Project. This will appear over here. Remember, whenever you see this kind of option, this means that you can do a multi-language thing for that particular level. We will check all the details of multi-language related setting in a separate video. For now, you can see that using these two options, we can configure footer text and header text, which is appear as a site header logo. So now we will see how you can change this theme. So there is an option called theme over here, and there is a theme selection box. By default, there are these all themes. You can choose any one of them and it will reflect below that how that particular theme looks. For example, earlier our theme was red and now it look like this. You can choose any of the theme, whichever you like, and once you generate the code, it will reflect it on the website. For now, we'll select this blue theme and generate and see how this looks. Great. This is look like this. So we can keep this theme. Also with theme, there are a couple more options like title. Title is the one which appear over here on the website. This is called website title. So we'll put something like inventory with PHPMaker. Character set is the character set when you are working with a multi-language or multi-character set. Different character sets are there. By default, UTF-8 is the one we are going to use. For example, if you are going to use Arabic character, then you need to choose Arabic character set over here. Font is something you can change and set as per your convenience. Size, this is the size of the overall text on the website. So by default, we'll keep all of these options as it is. Site icon is the icon appear over here. For example, you can see one XAMPP icon is showing here right now. So we can, this is also called favicon. So you can create your favicon and attach it over here. Brand href. Now you can see that we have brand site brand name. So if you put href, it will going to open that particular page. For example, if I wanted to visit home page on this click, then I will give a brand href in this section. This is all about the style and how you can theme. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to PHPMaker or any project related work, you can contact us on learnphpmaker.help@gmail.com. You can share your feedback in comments, subscribe to channel for more videos.